Good evening, guys. Let's just wait one more minute. We'll just start it.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Meanwhile, you guys can start writing the questions. Can anyone tell me what will be the question number? Yesterday we had stopped at what question number?
Sir, 30.
30?
Sir, 13.
13. Okay, then it should be 14th one then. Let's take the 14th one. Find the least number. Is the board visible? Yeah. Find the least number. Find the least number, which when divided by, which when divided by 35, 56, and 91 leaves the same remainder. Leaves the same remainder, 7 in each case. First, write down all the questions. Later, we'll discuss the answers. You can write it in the continuous manner. Find the smallest number, which when increased by 70. Which when increased by 17 is exactly divisible by is exactly divisible by both 468 and 250. Okay. 16th one. In a seminar, the number of participants in Hindi, the number of participants in Hindi, English and mathematics are 60, 84 and 108. Respectively. Find the minimum number of rooms required. Find the number of minimum rooms required. Find the number of minimum rooms required if in each room, same number of participants, same number of participants are to be seated. And all of them being in the same subject. All of them being the same subject. Copy down these 3 questions. We'll discuss the answers now. All together we'll discuss. If you finish, just give me a thumbs up. Let's discuss the answers, okay? Okay, Shrish has finished it. Yeah, has everyone finished it? Shall we discuss the answers?
1 minute, sir.
Yeah, sure.
1 minute, sir. Finished, sir.
Okay. Has everyone finished it?
Yes, sir. Finished.
Okay. I hope everyone has finished it. So let me erase it. So let's understand the 14th one question. Then let's find the solution. So what we have to find is, we have to find the least number which when divided by, so this is my working problem. Okay. So the numbers that I've got is 35, 56 and 91. Now I have to find a number. Okay. I have to find a number. How is this number? This number is getting divided by all these three numbers. Correct? Find a number which when divided by 35, 56 and 91. So this number is getting divided by all these things, isn't it? So the number that I'm trying to find is a dividend. So clearly it shows that I have to find LCM. Is it clear for everyone?
Sir, can you repeat again?
I'll repeat it again.
Sir, can you repeat?
Yeah, sure. I have to find a number here. Find a number which when divided by 35, 56, 91 gives a remainder 7. Okay. We'll come to the remainder part later. Okay. Now, first correctly observe Madi. Find a number which when divided by 35, 56, 91. So now ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋ ನಂಬರ್ ನ x ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಆ x ನ ನಂಬರ್ ಹೇಗಿರಬೇಕು? 35 ಇಂದನೂ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, 56 ಇಂದನೂ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, 91 ಇಂದನೂ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. So it is acting like a dividend. ಇದು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? All these things are dividing it. 35 x ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ, 56 x ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ, 91 is also dividing x. So 35, 56, 91 are acting as divisors. This x is acting as a dividend. Last class ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ, if the unknown is dividend, we have to find LCM. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So let's find the LCM. But they have given, you have to find the number in such a way that remainder kuda 7 barbeku. First what we'll do is one number kandidiyana. Okay na? This is a number. E x ana number hegide andre, it is exactly divisible by 35, 56 and 91. E 35 no x na divide ಮಾಡಬೇಕು exact ಆಗಿ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ remainder 0 ಬರಬೇಕು. 56 x ನ divide ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, 91 x ನ divide ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. It is simply finding the LCM. I'll come to the remainder part later. Okay, let's find the LCM of 35, 56, 91. Okay, 35 can be written as 7 into 5, and this 56, if you prime factorize it, it can be into 7 into 2 cube or 2 cube into 7, however you wish. 91 can be written as 7 into 30. Correct? Now what is the LCM? The LCM comes out to be
3640.
Okay, the LCM comes out to be all the prime numbers. Idraliro prime numbers yav ide, 2 ide, 7 ide, 5 ide, 13 ide. These are the different prime numbers. 2 the highest power eno 3. 7 the highest power 7 power 1. 5 the highest power 5 power 1 and 13 the highest power 13 power 1. So 2 cube is 8 into 7 into 5 into 13. So 8 sevens are 56, 13 fives are 65. How much you get? 56 into 65?
3640.
3640. Okay. So andre ee number 35 ಮತ್ತೆ 56 ಮತ್ತೆ 91 ಇಂದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕು? We need a number where we should get remainder 7. What can we do now? What should
Add
we do?
Plus 7.
Plus 7, that's it. Therefore, required number is nothing but LCM plus 7. What is LCM? 3640 plus 7. So it is 3647. So first naven madkondri ee numbers inda exact agi divide avo number na kandidkondvi, which is that 3640. Ivaga nam remainder 7 bekalva, simply add 7. Exact ಆಗಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ, 7 ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ 7 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. That's it. Do. If you're finished with this 14th one, try out the 15th one by yourself. Give it a try. ಫಸ್ಟ್ HCF ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕಾ LCM ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕಾ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. After that, you will get to know what should you do with the remainder. In this case, what did we do? First, exact agi divide ಆಗೋ ನಂಬರ್ ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ. That is 3640. Remainder 7 ಬೇಕಿದೆ, so 7 ನ add ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ. Others, I had given the 15th question. I wrote it on the board. I gave enough time also. I hope it is clear for everyone. I've done this prime factorization directly, but you can do that. Yesterday, whatever I did, 35. 7 5s are 35, 5 are 5. You can do all that stuff. Try out the next problem. I hope everyone has finished with this problem. Can I erase this?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Vida, mute yourself. Thank you. Okay. I hope it is finished. Let me erase it. You have to find the LCM and just add 7 to it because you need the remainder 7. So HCF ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ನ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆಮೇಲೆ HCF ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿತೀವಿ. ಅದನ್ನ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay, next question, try it out. Fifteenth one. ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋ ನಂಬರ್, required number. Can anyone tell me how is this required number? Or let's do it in the working column. So ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಬೇಕು, ಅದನ್ನ x ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಈ x ಅನ್ನೋ ನಂಬರ್ ಹೇಗಿರಬೇಕು? How is this? We need a number, okay? Find the smallest number which when increased by 17, okay? ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರು ಅದನ್ನ 17 ಇಂದ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 17 ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಐ ರೂಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಬೇಕು, ಅದನ್ನ x ಅಂತ ತಗೋತೀನಿ. which when increased by 17 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 17 ಇಂದ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಓಕೆನಾ? This number is exactly divisible by what and what? 468 and 250. 468 and 250. Observe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Listen carefully. I have to find a number x. Okay. How is this number? This number plus 17. ಅವಾಗ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಸಿಗತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? x plus 17. This is one number. This number should be exactly divisible by 468 and 250. So can I say this number, this entire number is nothing but LCM. LCM of this and this. LCM ಅಂದ್ರೆ for example, LCM of 2 and 4 na 4 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ meaning ಏನು? This 4 is exactly divisible by 2 and 4. LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. Meaning ಏನು? ಈ 4 ಅನ್ನ ನಂಬರ್ 2 ಇಂದನೂ 4 ಇಂದನೂ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Now what they're telling us, this number is exactly divisible by 468 and 250, meaning this entire number should be your LCM. So x plus 17 is equal to LCM. So nam bekagirodu x, 17 bekilla. So LCM minus 17. Therefore, our required number should be what? LCM of what and what? 468, 250. Either the LCM considered minus 17 madre answer sigate. Is that clear for everyone?
Sir, I did not understand, sir.
You listen, Adarsh, I guess. Yeah, you were talking there. I saw it. Find a number. We have to find a number. Let's say we have to find x. When this number is increased by 17 andre plus 17. This number, this entire number is exactly divisible by 468 and 250. When a number is exactly divisible by two numbers, ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರು ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ that is nothing but the LCM. LCM meaning ಏನು? I'll give you another example. What is the LCM of 4 and 8? The LCM of 4 and 8 is 8. Why? Because this is the least number that is divisible by 4 and divisible by 8. So they are telling this entire number is divisible by this and this, meaning this entire number should be LCM. So I have taken x plus 17 is equal to LCM. But now x matra beku, 17 bake, we don't need it. Send it that side. LCM minus 17. That is what I will. So we have to find a number. How is that? LCM minus 17. So find the LCM of 468 and 250. You will get an answer. Subtract it from 17. That is your final answer.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear for everyone? I hope there is no confusion. If there is confusion, please let me know.
Sir, can you explain again, sir?
Yeah, sure. What does the question says? Find a number. Okay. We have to find a number. Let's consider that number to be x. Okay, just a second. So we have to find a number. Let's consider the number as x. Okay, there is no doubt in that. Find a number which when increased by 17. The number name 17 in the increase. So plus 17. Just a second. Yeah. Find a number which when increased by 17. ಇವಾಗ ಇದೊಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಅದನ್ನ 17 ಇಂದ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ this entire thing is divisible by 468 and 250. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ನಂಬರು ಈ 468 ಮತ್ತೆ 250 ಇಂದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ LCM ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಇದಿಷ್ಟನ್ನು ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು? LCM ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. x plus 17 is nothing but what? LCM of 468, 250. ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು x ಮಾತ್ರ, 17 ಬೇಡ. ಸೊ 17 ಆಸೆಟ್ ಕಳಿಸಿ. x is equal to LCM of 468, 250 minus 17. Find the LCM of 468 and 250 using prime factorization. You will get an answer. Subtract it from 17. That is your final answer. Is it clear or still you got doubt?
Sir, LCM is 2.
Hey, no man, you have found HCF, I guess. LCM will be a very big number. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಗಿನ 468 and 250 ಗಿನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು. HCF ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ most of the time.
58500 sir LCM.
How much?
58500. 58,500.
58,480.
Okay, 58
500 and final answer is 58483.
Yeah, that's correct. LCM of these two things is 58500 minus 17 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 58483.
The voice is breaking.
I guess
No, sir.
No,
my
sir.
network is good, Shisha. I've connected with the Wi-Fi itself. It's good. Just check with your network once. Just wait for a few seconds. It'll be fine. Is it done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Let's go to the next question.
So what is final answer, sir?
58483. 16th one solution. Okay. Okay. In this question, what should we find? What should we find, Pragati? In the question, answer. Yeah, what answer should we find? Pragati, are you there? Okay, anyone else? What should we find in this?
HCF, sir.
No, I'm not asking it. We have to find HCF or HM. Very good. But what actually should we find?
Minimum rooms.
Okay, we have to find. We'll first analyze the problem, then we'll do it directly. Okay. If you want, you can also do it in your working column so that you'll understand when you are doing, when you are practicing. We just need minimum number of rooms. That is what we need, right? We have to calculate how many rooms are required. How many participants are there? In English, in Hindi, there are 60. In English, there are 84. And in Hindi, there are 108. Isn't it? We have got 60 participants, 84 participants, and 108 participants for mathematics, English, and Hindi. Okay. Now we have to calculate minimum number of rooms required. And there is a condition. What is the condition? That in each classroom, you should have people from the same subject. Okay, this person is from Hindi, this person is from English, these people are from mathematics. In a room, you should have same number of people. In all the rooms, you should have same number of people and they should belong to the same subject. Okay, na? I repeat it again. Andre, one room tagondre. On the 2 rooms tagolana. I don't know how many rooms. Let's take some rooms. Okay, na? Prati room allu same number of people irbeku. Idralli 10 jana idre, idralli 10 jana irbeku. Idralli 10 jana irbeku, idralli 10 jana irbeku. And ee 10 members kuda onde subject agirbeku. Hindi agidre Hindine agirbeku. If this is English, they should be English itself. If they are mathematics, they should be mathematics itself. Again, if it is Hindi, it should be Hindi itself. This is the condition. Is the question understood for everyone? I'm just explaining the question. I have to find the rooms. Eshtu rooms bekagide anta kandihidibeku. What is the condition given for the rooms? In each room, you should have same number of participants. For example, 10 idre one room al 10 anta tagondre prati room allu 10 irbeku. Okay, now again, and this 10 idralli bro idralli ಒಂದು 5 ಜನ ಆತರ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. You cannot take 5 members from this, 2 members from this, and 3 members from this. ಆತರ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. All the 10 members should belong to the same subject. 10 andre all the 10 should be Hindi. Illi 10 andre all the 10 should be English. All the 10 should be mathematics. This is how the condition. Is the question clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ರೂಮ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ರೂಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ರೂಮ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರ್ಬೇಕು? ಕಮ್ಮಿ ರೂಮ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. You want to have less number of rooms. If you want to have less number of rooms, in each room you should have more participants. Correct? You should have more participants. ಅದನ್ನ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Now ಈ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇನೆ ಈ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಇವಾಗ 10 ಅಂತ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ರ್ಯಾಂಡಮ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈ ನಂಬರ್ ಹೇಗಿರ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ನಂಬರ್ನು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಡೋಣ. Forget about this. Let's say there are 10 participants, 11 participants, and 14 participants. Okay. ನಾನು ಈ 10 participants ನ ಪ್ರತಿ ರೂಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಇಬ್ರಿಬ್ರಾಗ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದು. 2 members ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದಾ? ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ದಟ್. ಎಷ್ಟು ರೂಮ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? 5 ರೂಮ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಈ 14 members ನ ನಾನು 2 ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, 2 ಎಷ್ಟು ರೂಮ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? 7 ರೂಮ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಈ 11 members ನ ನಾನು 2 ಅಂತ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತಾ? Can I divide it 2?
No, sir.
No, you can't. Why? Because 2 is not a factor of 11. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 11 ಬಂದು 2 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ ನಮ್ಗೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ನಾವು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿತಿರೋ ನಂಬರ್ ಹೇಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಆರ್ ಈ ರೂಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ದಟ್ ನಂಬರ್, ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಈಚ್ ರೂಮ್, ದಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಶುಡ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, number of participants number of participants in each room. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ರೂಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಇರೋ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿ ದ HCF ಆಫ್ 60, 84, 108. ಪ್ರತಿ ರೂಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದಿ HCF ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಗುಡ್. ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದಿ HCF ಆಫ್ 60, 84 and 108. ನಾವು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿ ರೂಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿತಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಷ್ಟು ರೂಮ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು. ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ದಟ್. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದಿ HCF ಆಫ್ 60, 84 and 108. ಪ್ರತಿ ರೂಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ದಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಡಿವೈಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಇನ್ನೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಸಮ್ ಅದರ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸೇ 12 members, 14 members and 16 members. ಈ 12 members ನಾನು 4 members ಆಗಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು 3 ರೂಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಈ 16 members ನಾನು 4 ಆಗಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಪ್ರತಿ ರೂಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ 4 ಆಗಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಬಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಐ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ದಿಸ್ 14 as 4 members? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೂಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೂಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ, ಥರ್ಡ್ ರೂಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ, ಬಟ್ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ರೂಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಡಸ್ ದ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಸೇಸ್? ಪ್ರತಿ ರೂಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಸೇಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಿಲ್ಲ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ನೀವು 4 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದಿರಲ್ಲ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡಿವೈಡಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ 14. ಈ 14 ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋ ನಂಬರ್ ಈ 4 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದಿರಲ್ಲ, ದಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿಸ್ 3. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 2 ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬೋದಾ? ಪ್ರತಿ ರೂಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ 2 ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬೋದಾ? ತಗೋಬಹುದು. ಯಾಕೆ? 2 divides 12, 2 divides 14, 2 divides 16. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ತರ ಪ್ರತಿ ರೂಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿತೀರಾ? HCF. You are trying to find a number which is dividing all the 3. Divisor alva, it is acting as a divisor. So you have to find the HCF.
Sir, HCF is 12.
Okay, good. Did everyone get the HCF as 12? I am not doing that. So how much? Implies number of participants. I'm directly writing the answer. Number of participants in each room. I don't know whether the answer is correct. 12 is correct, I guess, because 12 bandu 16 divide madutte. 12 5s are 60, 84, 108, 9. Yeah. So 12 bandu pratiyondanu divide madutte. Okay. Now what? Now listen, please listen. I'll finish it off. Rooms required for Hindi participants. ಹೇಳಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಹಿಂದಿ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ರೂಮ್ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಹಿಂದಿ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ರೂಮ್ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
ಸರ್ 5.
ಹೆಂಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು? ಟೋಟಲ್ ಆಗಿ 60 ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಪ್ರತಿ ರೂಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 12. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಆಗಿ 60 ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಹಿಂದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಪ್ರತಿ ರೂಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ 12 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ನ ಅಕಾಮಡೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಸೊ 12 1s 12 5s. So 5 rooms ಆಯ್ತು. ಅದೇ ತರ rooms required for English participants. English participants. How much it is? Total ಎಷ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? 84 ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Divided by 12. 12 ones are
7.
7 rooms. Okay. Rooms required for maths participants.
9, sir.
9.
So total ಆಗಿ 108 ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಪ್ರತಿ ರೂಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ 12 ಜನ. So 12 ones are 12 nines are. Therefore, total number of rooms required. Therefore, total number of rooms required will be how much? 5 plus 7 plus 9, which is how much? 16 plus 5, 21. So total agi 21 rooms ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. I hope I'm not confusing. Is it clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So number of participants in each room is nothing but simply the HCF. ಯಾಕೆ ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದನ್ನು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay. Finish this, then I'll give you 3 more questions. We'll discuss those 3 questions.
Finish.
Okay, if everyone has finished, let me know. I'll erase this and I'll write all the questions. What about others? Tarun, Liba, Ananya, Trisha, Bhuvan, Shashank, Vishwas. Can I erase it?
Yes,
1 minute, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Students, are you really understanding or how is it? If you're not understanding, you can be frank, no problem.
Not understanding, sir.
Okay, if you're understanding, well and good.
Finish, sir.
Okay. Sanika finished?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So take down next question, 17, 18, 19. I'll give you 3 questions. We'll discuss those. Just a second. Seventeenth one. 3 sets of English. 3 sets of English, comma, mathematics, and science, books containing 336, 240 and 96 books respectively. 96 books respectively have to be stacked. Stacked andre jodisadu. Have to be ondra mele ondra jodisadu. Have to be stacked in such a way that all the books are stored subject wise all the books are stored subject wise. All the books are stored subject wise, and the height of the each stack and the height of the each stack and the height of the each stack is the same. How many stacks will be formed? Okay, let us question number 17. Just a sec. Question number 18. 3 pieces of timber. 3 pieces of timber, 42 meter, 49 meter, and 63 meter long have to be divided into planks of small length, into planks of same length. What is the greatest possible length? What is the greatest possible length? What is the greatest possible length of each plank? How many planks are required? How many planks are required? 19th one, the last question for the day. 19th one. Find the greatest possible length. Find the greatest possible length which can be used to measure exactly the lengths 7 meter, 3 meter 85 centimeter, and 12 meter 95 centimeter. The 3 questions. If you finish this 3 questions, that's enough. Totally 6 questions will be done for the day. More than enough.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Adarsh.
Sir, will you solve or should we solve ourselves?
Sorry.
Will you solve it or should we solve it ourselves?
I'll solve it, man. I'll give you some time. Try out the 17th one. It is similar to the previous one. Try it out. If you're not getting it, I'll definitely help you out.
Yes.
You have got 15 minutes time, 5 minutes for each problem. 15 minutes done. Is it done? Have you copied the questions?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Will you do it or should I discuss the answers? Okay, if anyone wants to volunteer to tell the answers, you can do it. Question artha madkodi. 3 sets of books are there: English, Maths, and Science. Okay. So how many books are there? 336, 240, and 96. So English, Maths, and Science. I have to stack them. Stack them andre no jodsodu. Alva? Ondra mele ondu. You have to stack them in such a way that, okay, I don't know. Simply I'm just doing it. Okay. Let's say on 5 books ಇದೆ. ಈ ತರ stack ಮಾಡಬೇಕು books ನೆಲ್ಲ. Okay na? And each stack should be same height. Same height ಅಂದ್ರೆ no, same number of books ಇರಬೇಕು. Same amount of books ಇರಬೇಕು. ಆವಾಗ ತಾನೇ same height ಬರುತ್ತೆ. If you have one more book here, it will have different height. Yeah, this is having a different height. This will be having a different height. Now each stack. Mute yourself, everyone. Please mute yourself. Yeah. Now, if you observe, see here, I have to stack them. ಜೋಡಿಸಬೇಕು, ಒಂದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಜೋಡಿಸಬೇಕು. ಹೆಂಗಿರಬೇಕು? In each stack, the height should be same. Height should be same ಅಂದ್ರೆ same amount of books ಇರಬೇಕು. Same number of books ಇರಬೇಕು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೂ 5 ಇರಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲೂ 5 ಇರಬೇಕು. Only then you can have same height. Suppose ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ 6 books ಇದ್ರೆ, see there is a difference in height. Alva? Now, again, simply I have taken 5 books here. Say suppose these are very big numbers. Okay. Let's take some small numbers to understand. Okay, let's take some 20, 23, and some 30. Or let's say this is 25. Let's say this is 31. Now, here all these books, can I arrange them as 5, 5? Can I arrange them as, can I stack them as 5, 5? I can make 5. Again, I can make one more 5. Again, I can make one more 5. Again, I can make one more 5. Here, yes, I can make. But here, can I make stacks of 5?
No, sir.
No. Why? Because this number is not divisible by 5. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು? ಈ 3 ನಂಬರ್ ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡೋ ತರ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಪ್ರತಿ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ನಂಬರ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ that should divide all this 3. So that is the concept. Number of books in each stack. ಪ್ರತಿ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಇರೋ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಏನು? Number of books in each stack. Number of books in each stack. It's simply the HCF of 336, 240, 96. You have to find the HCF. Whatever the HCF. Okay.
48, sir.
Okay. Number of stacks formed or got for English books. ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Total ಆಗಿ 336 books ಇದೆ. ಪ್ರತಿ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ? What is the HCF? Has anyone found the HCF?
48, sir.
48. Okay. So ಪ್ರತಿ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ 48 ಇರಬಹುದು. 48 books, 48 books, 48 books. ಆ ತರ ಇದೆ. So divided 48 how many is that? 7. Okay. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು? 7 stacks. ಅದೇ ತರ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 240 by 48 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಪೈಸಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Correct?
Yes, sir.
I'm doing it directly. For Hindi, how much you will get? Total is, science, 96 books ಇದೆ, divided by 48. 48 ones are 48 twos are. So ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 7 stacks ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. 7 stacks. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ 48 ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ತರ 7 stacks ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 5 stacks ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 2. Total how much ಇದೆ? 7 plus 5 plus 2. 14 stacks. Total number of stacks is 14. Is it clear for everyone? Exactly same time. Say previously rooms ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಇದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಪ್ರತಿ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಇರಬಹುದು? 48 ಬುಕ್ಸ್. ಯಾಕೆ 48? Because it divides all the 3. So total books 336 ಇದೆ. ಪ್ರತಿ ಇದರಲ್ಲೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರಬಹುದು? 48 ಇರಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅದರ 7 stacks ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Similarly for maths 5, for science 2, total it is 14. Is it clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I hope everyone has done it. So I'm erasing it. Next one, ನೀವೇ try ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Will you try it on your own? Think. I've given you many hints. ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿಲ್ವಾ? Our note ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ. If the unknown is dividend, LCM. If the unknown is divisor, HCF. ಆ note ನ use ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೇನು you can do it. Next you got 3 pieces of timber, 42 meter, 49 meter and 63 meter. 42 meter, 49 meter and 63 meter. Okay. Timbers ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ wood pieces ಇದೆ. 42 meter length ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು wood piece ಇದೆ. 49 meter length ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು wood piece ಇದೆ. 63 meters ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು wood piece ಇದೆ. This is 42 meter, 49 meter, 63 meter. Okay. What they're telling? They're telling you should divide into small planks. Small planks agi divide ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay na? You have to divide into small planks. ಈ ತರ divide ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay na? How many planks are formed? Total agi ಎಷ್ಟು planks form ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Total agi ಎಷ್ಟು planks form ಮಾಡಬಹುದು? ಎಷ್ಟು small pieces ಮಾಡಬಹುದು? And ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಈ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಪೀಸ್ ದು ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. How will you do it? What can be the maximum length of this small pieces?
Should find HCF, sir.
HCF simply ಯಾಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ವಾ ಆ ಲೆಂತ್ ನ x ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. The maximum possible length of the small pieces ಅದನ್ನ x ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಈ x ಹೆಂಗಿರಬೇಕು? ಇದನ್ನೂ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇದನ್ನು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇದನ್ನು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಡಿವೈಸರ್. ಯಾಕೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಮೂರನ್ನು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಈ ಚಿಕ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಬದಲು ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ಈ 42 ನ 3 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಪೀಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ 3 meters. 3 meters ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಪೀಸಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ. ಬಟ್ ಈ 49 meter ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಐ ಮೇಕ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಪೀಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ 3 meters? ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಐ ಮೇಕ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಪೀಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ 3 meters? ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, 49 meter ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 pieces 3 meters ಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೇಕ್ 16 pieces. 16 pieces ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. 16 pieces ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 48 meter ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ನ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಮೀಟರ್ ಉಳ್ಕೊಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ.
7 meters.
Yeah. We'll take a simple number if you're getting confused. 8 meters ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. 8 meters ಗೆ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಪ್ಲಾಂಕ್ ಇದೆ. Can I divide this 8 meter plank as 3 meters plank? 3 meters ಗೆ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಪೀಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗತ್ತಾ? ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ? 3 meters ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 3 meters ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಬಾಕಿ ಇರೋದೇನು 2 meters ಅಷ್ಟೇ. You are not getting equal length. That is not possible. Why? Because your 3 is not dividing 8. Same thing. So ಪ್ರತಿ ಈ ಮೂರನ್ನು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಪೀಸಸ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ this number should divide all this 3. So you have to find the HCF of 42, 49 and 63. The HCF is how much? 7. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು 7 meters ಗೆ you can make small pieces.
7, sir.
Okay, 7 meters ಗೆ you can make small pieces. Total ಆಗಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪೀಸಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿತೀರಾ? ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. 42 meters ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪೀಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 7 meters andre how many pieces you will get?
7 6
ಅಂದ್ರೆ 6 pieces ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 7 pieces ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 9 pieces ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So totally ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು? 22 pieces ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Totally you will get 22 pieces of plants. ಕಟ್ಟಿಗೆ small. I hope it is clear for everyone. Is it clear for everyone? Okay, good. Next one, exactly same thing. But only on the careful agribeku, they have given in meter and centimeter. Convert everything into centimeter and do it. For example, they have told first one is 7 meter. Okay. But the next one they have told 3 meter 85 centimeter. So meter allude, centimeter allude. That is a confusion. You should have same units. So 7 meter na 700 centimeter anta tagobodu. 3 meter 85 centimeter na 385 centimeter anta tagobodu. 12 meter 95 centimeter na 1295 centimeter. Convert everything into centimeter and it is exactly the same problem. Yeah, only one thing is they are in meters and centimeters. Everything should be in the same thing. So convert everything into centimeter and do it.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, 19th answer is 35 centimeter.
Sorry?
19th answer is 35 centimeter.
35 centimeter. Okay, one sec. Yeah, very good, ma. 35 centimeter. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕೇಳಿರೋದು, ಎಷ್ಟು ಪೀಸಸ್ ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರು. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಬರೀ 7 ಅಂತ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪೀಸಸ್ ಅಂತಾನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೈ ವಿ ಫೌಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ ದ 6 7 9 ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಆಡೆಡ್ ಇಟ್. ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ. ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅನ್ನೋನ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಡಿವೈಸರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ವಿಚ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಅ HCF. Suppose ಇದೇ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ರೆ LCM ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿತಿದ್ವಿ. Be careful. Yes.
So once you say the given length, sir.
7 meter.
Yes, sir.
3 meter 85 centimeter. 3 meter 85 centimeter. Second one. Third one is 12 meter 95 centimeter.
Okay, sir.
Convert everything into centimeter and do it. Yeah. I hope it is clarified. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you've really understood, well and good. You can leave the class. You can do the last problem. Take it as homework. If you've got any doubts, sir, Arthane Aglila, you want me to do it separately for you? Yeah, that is also allowed. Yep. If you finish, that's it for the day. Okay.
Bye. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye and thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
You're welcome.
Sir, I think HCF of last term is 35.
Yeah, 35. 35 is correct.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Yeah, bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Yeah, bye. Yes, Pragati, can I end the meeting? Okay.